Hello everyone. Because of a request that a viewer made, I'm actually going to show you the steps to actually building the game capture plugin for OBS, and by extension building OBS itself. I won't be using a fresh extension for it though, it's just the fresh copy of Linux. Because that's what I actually meant to say. I'm not going to be using a fresh copy of Linux for this. So for this, actually, maybe I should actually use a CH root just to test this. This might take a bit of time to set up if I have to. You know what? No, I'm not going to do it like that. I need to partially update my OBS anyway. Let me see what extensions I currently have on it. Actually, no, I'm not going to do that. I think I still have my OBS source code downloaded. So what I'm going to do is actually just do a basic installation of the settings I used last time. But I'm going to install the file in my main OBS. I'm still telling how I should properly use these demonstration purposes. I know I put it in the user SRC folder, but that's the best place I could put it. Yes, I have a lot of stuff in here. Now, let's go to the OBS Studio folder. This is where I keep the built binaries and source code for my copy. That's not a word saying. This is where I keep the source code for my copy of it. I had to make a few tweaks to it, but I will show those later. If you have problems installing OBS, I will show you the tricks to do it. It's usually a cmake variable that does this. So I'm going to go into the cmake folder. I'm just going to do this. These are the settings I had to apply originally. This one used to not have the no and hyphen in the just being Werror. I changed every Werror instance to Wno-error that I possibly could. That was mainly due to that's wrong words. It was mainly due to the fact that because of the compiling problem of what it was. That's no words. Actually, one of the things I think I was trying to understand what I believe it was bugging me about though. Something about either the deprecation or something, or some other dumb issue I had to fix with that. It's probably just me set out doing it. But somebody had to apply a specific flag to turn off the deprecation and warning thing. I thought now I'm just going to show you the OBS building instructions. Yeah, I might typo that mistake. I think I want to load this from the GitHub page. And it has the more up-to-date instructions on it. Here we are, build instructions. I'm not gonna make a system-wide installation for this. Actually, I think I need to give a bit of a demonstration on what to change. Wrong command. Stupid start button. I'm just gonna do a search for that in there. And I just found one and missed it. Damn it. Exit out. I know it says it's unwritable. But I'm using it as my main account and they built this as the root account, I believe. Yes, this used to be this. And that used to be that. I don't remember if that one was one of them. But that one probably was too. I don't remember offhand. that one I can't fix. That's just for Clang. Didn't even know that was still a thing, and they only entered the one for Linux. Unless it just wasn't properly updated, maybe I can pause without it. I don't remember how many files that had that in offhand. I would need to check the code repo. I'd like to give a demonstration on building OBS now. For this, I'll be doing a Debian based. I'm using Ubuntu. Here are the dependencies that you need. So for this, I'm going to show the link to the page. You'll need this. All these dependencies look like. These two. I already have them installed. I'm not going to show you how to install them. We also need these. I think someone is in the main area of my area again. It's not an invasion, but I live in a specific situation where someone might do that. Who'd be out there at this hour though? I swear to God, if they just turned off the effing lights again. It's super annoying. Oh, I almost forgot, you will need this as well. You'll need it extracted too. I won't be using a preset for this. I will show you the options I use. You may also have to install Pipewire though. That's my words, that's my words. Yes, it does install Pipewire by default, but I forget if it does offhand. Let me just do this again. On command, I didn't notice that typo. Oh, wait, I gotta do that as sudo. Yeah. Sudo. Here's the options I used. This is what my current setup was. This one right here is where I extracted this one. This one right here is where I extracted the actual Chromium to. It's the embedded Chromium unit for the browser source. This one enables the FTK plugin, which needs the library that for FTK AAC installed. That's wrong words. It needs the development and libraries for FTK AAC installed. That's what I pronounce it as. I turned this off because I wanted it to use FFmpeg. I said I wanted it to use FFmpeg, so I kept messing up my words. I recommend you turn off the web ATC unless you want to manually build the data link, as there is no current source code package available for it on the repo, so you have to download and install it manually and tweak it a bit too. For this, I'm going to turn off the web FTC and set this to build all. God damn it, that's a typo. I went in with the cmake folder. That's why I'm in the cmake folder. Man, really, yeah, I'm thinking it was. I thought I was in the cmake folder. I'm in the wrong damn folder. God damn it. Ah, shit. What's I going to look for? I just forgot. I think it was something to do with this thing. What's I gonna look for on this? Oh, right, I know, I remember. Let me see where the DAR setting is. I don't know if it will actually need lib data link to build without this. Let's find out. Let's see if it goes looking for it. Oh, didn't even search for the OSS libraries, damn. You know what? Just for safety, I think I will actually use this in a CH root as well. Just to make sure I didn't taint my build environment. You will need them if the library is installed. If it doesn't work on the first try, I will show you what you need to do to get libdatalink. You need to use the git repo. Shit. Wrong folder. I need to go to build alt. I need to go to build alt. This will take a bit of time. I don't really have the time to fast forward this, so I'll probably just do a jump cut. Or I'll put it in the whole thing. I'm unsure. Hello, me from the future. I just realized I forgot to mention I have a speech impediment, so if you hear any issues with my voice, that's why. Anyway, back to the recording. Now, the next command I cannot really show you directly, but I'll give you the basic gist of it. I don't want to overwrite my OBS copy, but if I were to run that, it would install OBS. I don't want to replace mine right now as I don't have a backup copy to run off of. Now I will show you the next step. Again, let's go back again. Now let me do the ls in this folder. Give it to this now. For this stage, I'm going to do. I've already built it on this one. I'm going to clean the build directory. So is there a cmake folder this? Oh wait, yes there is. Okay, cmake. build one start. Yes, you will need Wayland for this. Now this one may be a little different, or not. Now, I'm going to install it directly. This one, it shouldn't affect OBS directly. Even though it replaced it, it's not really going to replace the loaded file for it. Now, to show you the file you will need to update now, you will need to update this. This is coming up right there. This one section is what causes issues with it. Because it's all the user local folder, that's all you really have to do for that purpose of fixing that file. Now, I'm going to show you an example of a script I wrote to load in Minecraft. Let me just apply a game capture source to this. It's going to capture any window, so I'm going to show this to you on screen. That's where it is. It's in the upper corner. I'm just going to close out of that now, and the browser that is. Now I'm going to keep this on screen for now. Just going to edit the wrong one. That was an accident message command on my internal key. Sorry about that. I'm going to copy this. Partly. Mainly just this. Now I'm going to go to the CD bin. That's in my local bin folder for my Leader account. This is how I run the Technic launcher to load it in. It's an easier way of doing it for me. It varies from person to person though. This is just my local stuff. I know I have two instances of this in there essentially. I don't know why I didn't cut the other one out. I guess it was just the fail-safe now. Just to demonstrate the command, it was also save though. Just to demonstrate the command, I'll load in the Technic launcher. I'm not even sure why I'm gonna show my damn mod pack on this. I really don't want it found by normal people right now. You'll see the game load in very shortly. There it is, and there's the game capture. I can move to the other screen, and there it is still. Move this over there now. See, it's on screen now. Also, if you're wondering when my OBS has this modified, it's because of the Wno-error stuff from earlier. I'm going to let Minecraft load in so that I can show something off in game if I have to. Just to show that it actually is capturing the game. I'm going to show one more thing first. So this, properties, see, it loads in. There I load in my server for this. I won't be showing the IP on screen. Still working, thank God. Bit of lag with the recording though again. What I was going to tell you earlier before I cut out that section was you may need to build a new copy of FFmpeg. The newest OBS needs a certain version or higher, and for some reason it requires, I think it's 7.1 or 6.1. I think it was 6.1. Because I tried using 7.0, which is newer than 6.1, and it just wouldn't work. It must be version specific or not look for the right file names. Just get X out of Minecraft for now. That was just a demonstration. Oh, I don't recommend using this on source games. Valve may be implementing an anti-cheat soon enough, and it may trip it for all we know. Because it is preloading a library file. I wouldn't trust that to not trip back at some point. I'm gonna exit out of this now. I know I just showed up my Minecraft username. Oh, I didn't show up any debug info. But that about does it. But if you have a problem with the libdatalink library, I will show that in another video if needed. Because it is an annoying process to fix. Because it requires building libdatalink from source code. And now I gotta edit this, so I'm gonna get off this recording now. Good luck. I almost forgot something in my recording. I wanted to show you why I actually edited something in OBS code. Just gonna go back to this. Oh, I just went long again. It didn't look like maybe it didn't. Not great. Now I gotta go searching the files for Werror manually. I don't remember which one it was in. Oops, typo. It wasn't that one. It wasn't that one. It wasn't this one. Look at it looks like. So which one was the compiler I can bring? Yes, it was. To show you what I actually did to the code, I will give you a demonstration. You've already seen it, partially. I'm not sure how many of these times I had to do this. I think 12. I think there were a few of them. But basically, I replaced this to be Wno-error. And I also set that to be Wno-error with both a backup failsafe. And do that in several locations. You'll have to find all of them yourself. I don't remember which ones they were. But I will check a few of them. Once I closed out the browser, I guess I'm not gonna do that. Alright, good luck. Hey, me again, one more thing. I just realized I never actually reloaded OBS after I installed the plugin. So with using the original plugin I was using, it doesn't matter if it does still work. Good luck again.